Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the new SSD and ensuring the system can boot from it. First, check the SSD capacity against your current system drive and make a backup of critical files. Create recovery media now. Once done, attach the SSD internally or with a USB adapter, then run disk management to initialize as GPT for UEFI or MBR for legacy BIOS. Make sure to set the SSD to online and unallocated, because cloning software expects a destination drive ready. Now you'll perform the actual clone so the SSD becomes a bootable copy. Select Trusted Cloning Software and pick your source system drive and the SSD as destination. Choose sector by sector or intelligent clone depending on used space. Include all partitions, EFI, recovery, and the OS, because missing those prevents boot. During cloning, monitor for errors and once finished, verify the clone by checking partition sizes, file counts, or a checksum. If verification passes, proceed to change boot order. Finish by configuring firmware to boot from the SSD and validating that Windows or your OS starts correctly. Reboot into UEFI or BIOS and set the SSD as the primary boot device. Save and restart. To be safe, temporarily disconnect the original drive and boot only from the SSD. This forces a clean test. If it doesn't boot, use recovery media to repair the bootloader or run automatic repair. If problems persist, reconnect the source drive and repeat cloning or restore the backup you made earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.